acknowledge the presence of the representatives of Enzo Pierce Builders Corp., CGM Builders, RRM Engineering Services, Evergreen Landscaping and Construction Corp., Corpea Builders Corp., Loris and Aldrin Mark Corporation, Juvie Moore Construction Trading and Services, Margay Industries Corp., Alden Well Corp., Diamond Builders Conglomeration Inc., LA De Mesa Landscaping Services, Infinite Draft Advertising, TechnoSign Corporation, DLR Construction Inc., Wind Power Corp., and AC Santiago. Also joining us today is our primary partner from Aplaya Laia Corporation. Let us hear from its chairman of the board, Ms. Eileen Leong Cheng, and Mr. Neil Bryant C.
Good morning! Kamusta tayo dyan? Can I see some hands? Welcome to for those who knew me, I don't want to make some serious talks, but I was asked by our chairperson to give the welcome remarks. And we thank God for providing us safe traveling mercies coming here in this beautiful place for a very good weather. And earlier I was actually thinking, will they really come? Because it's a bit of a trouble and the prices of gasoline nowadays is not. Yeah? So I thought, but we thank everyone. Hindi ko na po isa-isa, but we thank everyone for coming here and joining us here today. Any one of you who's familiar with a speech given by US President Abraham Lincoln, the infamous Gettysburg Address, the infamous line that 7 years ago, our forefathers brought forth this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. So parang memorize mo pa until the end. Sige, but I'm not going to recite the entire stretch of the speech. But in relating to that speech, I was reminded that our founder, Mr. Ole Hegnan, he's a Norwegian, together with his friends, different nationalities, and our Singaporean partners, our Singaporean chairman, Ms. Ellen Leong, and together with the Filipino friends, came to visit Philippines. It was 7 years ago, but not ago, but that was the year. I researched a bit. 1 score is equals to 20 years. So 4 times 20 is 80, and 7 years, 87. It was sometime in 1987, after the EDSA Revolution, that they came to the Philippines and established some of their businesses. And one of the business is Aplaya Laia Corporation. So they came to this place, they saw the lush of the greens and the water kissing the beige sand beach of this area. And so they thought of, okay, there will be something here in this place. And just a bit of a trivia, this place, as we know it, Laia, it's not really Laia. Based from our short story from Kapitan Bonching Leana, he's really a local. During their childhood days, this area is known as Laia. Laia. It means a pasture land, a grazing land. So this is where you can have freedom. But it was syllabically written as L-A-I, Lai, Y-A, Ya. And over the years, it was pronounced as Laia. So now, here we are pronouncing this place as Laia. But going back to that short story, we were really thinking of what can be development in this area. On the early days, Playa Lea Corporation put up a golf course. And that's now located in the residential, the Playa Lea residential. As you're coming from Manila, it is situated on the right. And on the left, we put up a hospitality business, the Laia Coco Grove, our small resort. So from there, late 80s, early 90s, fast forward to year 2008, where we teamed up with Landco Pacific Corporation. That is where a big idea came about. And maybe I'll take this time to recognize our past and present men and women behind the project. For without them, this project won't come to fruition. It is because of these people, although I might not be able to mention their names, all of single person that contributed, but everyone contributed their small little idea, and it's now a big one. This monumental project won't be possible without the leadership of both the board of directors, owners, and shareholders of Playa Lea Corporation and Landco Pacific Corporation, from the Ceres Burgos family, from the Hegland family, from the Liana family, from Mr. Rene Aguirre, Mr. Alan Staley, Ms. Chris Zuluega, and of course, the current president. He really made a lot of difference, Mr. Eric Manzano. Our project directors, Rachel, MJ, and our Wonder Woman, Jen Fowley. Can you please stand, Madam Jen Fowley? Thank you. And of course, si Ye, Miss Annalyn Valladolid, where are you? Ayun, nandito. Dito ka sa gitna. Dito ka. And of course, from the officers, like si GB and our CFO, meron pala sa tabi-tabi, si Boss Philip. Where's Boss Philip? Boss Philip, thank you. Sa technical team, Sila Jed, where is Jed? Engineer Jed, mga nagtatago. Pasensya na kayo, they are shy type people. No? Our technical and engineering team, sila Keith, sila Engineer Osmundo, si engineer mo. DC, si Engineer Dan Christopher Aldovino. Nandito ka ba? Wala? Okay. Who else? Survey and maintenance team. Where is the maintenance team natin? Edward? Edward? Talagang mahihain yung mga engineers natin, ano? Nagwawalis na to make sure that everything is in proper order. And most especially, to the efforts of our marketing and sales team. Can I hear some noise from the sales team? Ayun, mga masisipag. Of course, with our Alabang and Makati office team. So, most of the time we cannot see them, but what they're doing for us is really very important for the documentation, for processing of your papers. And to everyone, and again, I apologize, my sincerest apologies to whom I haven't mentioned for the interest of time. But this monumental project, an approximately 200-hectare project, the joint venture is really envisioned by the entire team. And now, a developed residential with the commercial component provides local employment, whether for construction, real estate, and development, and enterprise such as tourism establishments. We also empower local economy by local purchases and as significant tax contributor to the municipality of San Juan, thereby uplifting the community's quality of life. And yes, we experience ups and downs, sway side to side. The journey was not easy. Tears, sweat, and blood, ika nga. No? Talagang tumutuko si Jem because of that. But here we are, by God's grace, power, might, provision, sustenance, and intervention, we are here today. May today's ribbon-cutting ceremony symbolize not the end of our development, but a gesture for an opportunity of a new beginning. The start of sustainable, relevant, purposeful, and life-transforming investment or property development. Last night, a short clip from a fellowship of business owners. There's a clip from this Singaporean pastor, Pastor Bernard Lim. He posted a challenge. What legacy are we building for the next generation? Build to last for the purpose and for the glory of God. May I encourage the current and future residents and business locators that are and will be established in this community, and remind everyone that all things are His, and we are merely a vehicle to channel His blessings. May the legacy that we build, or will continue to build, reflects His glory, and that all glory belongs to Him, the very rock, foundation, and fortress that these structures are built on. All thanks, glory, and honor be to the Lord our God, Jesus Christ. And as we say in our Kalayaan Coast Resort, malayang araw po and enjoy the rest of your stay here in La Ia.